Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Suman and I'm going to be your host today to help you create a LinkedIn business profile for your business. It's important to have your business listed on LinkedIn because it will help you to build your online presence. And LinkedIn is an additional platform to showcase your brand, to increase brand awareness, product and services, and also business activities. Additionally, LinkedIn can be another lead generation tool for your business. If you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn as a lead generation tool, I will be creating videos on that topic too, which you can find in my channel. Without wasting any further time, let's get started on our main topic of the day, which is how to create a LinkedIn profile for your business. Additionally, to make the process smooth and quick, I have listed out things you will require while creating LinkedIn business profile. You can also find the list of things required in the description below. So let's get started. Simply head over to For Business and click on Create Company. Once you click on that, now you will need to choose the company. Click on that, and now you will need to provide your company information, which is name. So we have already added all the information in our checklist. I will copy it. So copy your company name and go back to LinkedIn and paste it there. Similarly, you will go back to website, copy your website URL, go back to LinkedIn and paste it. Industry, just choose the industry. In this case, this is advertising service, company organization, 1 employee, and then this is privately held. Now we will need to add a logo. I already have sample, so I will click on my logo, paste it, and now you will need to add tagline of company. I already have my tagline. I will copy it, paste it, and you will simply click on check mark. So you verify it. Now hit create page. Now you have successfully created your company page. Now you might need to optimize your page. So you will add your description here. So on description section, click on add description. So I already added description of the company that I am planning to create. I will simply copy it, go back to LinkedIn and paste it. I have more company information on about section, so I will copy second part and paste the another remaining. Now website, everything looks good. I will add my phone number, and year founded. So after that, I will add the specialities. I will add the specialities, which is marketing strategy. I will copy another one. Just write marketing consultation. Go back, copy advertising solution. So you will need to create your specialties up to 20, and you can add on this section, which is pretty simple. Press on save and refresh the page. Now you have successfully added your overview section of your company page. Now let's see how it looks. Now simply refresh and we will need to view our company page as a member. So as you can see, we have successfully created, and we can see the information in our overview section and all the information like website, phone number and all. So as you can see, this is all. Now we will add the banner in our company page. Again, you are as a member, you will need to change it to admin, view as admin, and then go to the pencil icon on your banner and upload your banner. In this case, I have a sample banner. I will click on the banner, open it, apply, and refresh the page. So as you can see, we have successfully added our banner as well. Now let's add location information. Select the country where your business operates. So here I added Thailand. I'm adding street address, which is Bangkok. Let me find Bangkok here. So I'm choosing this one. This one, keep it empty. And on city, I will add Bangkok. State and province, I will add Bangkok and give postal code or zip code. After that, simply press on save. Now you have added your location information in your company page as well. Now again, let's refresh the page. And that's all. We have successfully created our company page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. If you have any question or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask me question or give feedback in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.